This video will guide you through the new method for grading submissions to open questions or essay assignments. The first step is to select all open questions you would like to grade. Tick the check marks and click the Grade button. This screen shows the settings that determine how you are grading the submissions. The direction setting determines the order in which you are grading, by student or by assignment. During grading, you may always switch between grading by student or by assignment. The third option is to grade in a random order to prevent a bias. This option is only available if you select a single question. The next options allow you to show or hide student names and student numbers, or to select a subset of students you would like to grade. Click the Start Grading button. The matrix shows an overview of student submissions per question. Submissions that should still be graded are indicated by 3 dots. If a submission has been graded, the grade will be shown here. An empty cell indicates that the students did not submit anything for that question. Click a cell to open the corresponding submission. The grading screen consists of a navigation bar on top showing the current question and submission. It also allows you to navigate to other submissions. Beneath the navigation bar, the student submission is shown. It may consist of multiple answers in case sub-questions were used. Beneath the submission, the question text and the model answer, if specified, are displayed. On the right, the scores and feedback are shown. To provide overall feedback on a submission, click the feedback box and start typing. Save your feedback by clicking the green check mark or press Enter. To insert a new line, press Shift plus Enter. Enter a score in the score field. If there are sub-questions, the individual scores will be summed to a total score. Any changes you make are saved automatically. A status indicator in the bottom right notifies you if there are still unsaved changes. To give feedback specific to a part of the submission, select the part you would like to comment on. Click the speech bubble to enter your feedback. Alternatively, you could strike through a part of the text by clicking the Strike Through icon. You can save comments for reuse by clicking the disk icon and saving it as a snippet. This snippet will be stored in the Snippet library for use in other questions in this course or if you resume grading later on. In this example, we chose to grade by questions. We can switch to grade by student using the Navigate By button. In both cases, the progress bar will show the overall grading progress based on the selected navigation method. When reviewing all submissions for a student, skipped submissions will also be shown in order to provide a complete overview of this student's exam. To reuse a comment, again select a part of the student submission and click the folder icon. Pick the desired comment from the list. You can always change this specific comment by clicking it and changing the text. This will not change the saved snippet. To manage saved snippets, click the speech bubble in the navigation bar. Here you can create, edit, or remove snippets. If you want to mark a submission for later review, you can use one of the colored circles in the navigation bar. When viewing the matrix, the submission will be highlighted using this color. The currently open submission is indicated by a box.